what we have here is the one and only all titanium Edson Helm chain. This roller chain is ANSI 50. I believe it's something like 38 links in total, and the reason why it's titanium is because why not? And also the old one, the original one, it rusted after 25 years, so one of the links broke and pretty much disabled my steering system. So I thought, hey, you know, let's just get something good, something cool, and make sure that it's maintenance free, that it's not gonna rust, and you know, it's lightweight. Not that I care about weight, I'm not a racing boat, but racing boats could possibly use this. So yeah, let's see how much it weighs, and it's 390 grams. I'm gonna detach the original one, the one that's intact, and I have two helms, so we'll weigh the Edson's chain. And to answer your question, it was about $1,500 to make this. Yes, I know it's a lot, but it's one of a kind, and it was a custom order. I'm sure they will be slightly less than that if people start buying them en masse, you know. It becomes popular for racing boats, maybe cruising boats, because once again, lightweight, zero maintenance, just, you know, install it and forget it, and 3 times stronger than stainless as well. I think that the replacement one is about $400. So if you go and buy official Edson's chain, which is like pretty much exactly as what you see but in stainless, they charge $400 for that, and in my opinion that's too much. I mean, maybe it's some kind of a special stainless, whatever. It has some custom loops here on the end. Those are the only things that are not ANSI 50 and roller chain, and whatever, you know, things cost a lot when it comes to boats, but for what, 4 times the amount, I was able to get something out of titanium. And it sounds like a lot, but you know, it's a lot either way. And now I have something that I can just forget about. Anyway, let's weigh the original one. And here's the official original Edson chain. This is from my starboard side, and it's intact, possibly because it's covered in some sort of oil, grease, and it doesn't seem to have any rust. The other chain, probably it broke once, got replaced, never greased, and that's why it rusted. Anyway, let's see how much this puppy weighs. Ooh, scary number. So yeah, what we're talking about, almost twice the weight, 670. And just because I love you, I'm gonna also weigh this puppy. So this is something that I MacGyvered myself. I bought not even a stainless chain. This is ANSI 50. Bought like 2 feet of chain off eBay for 20 bucks, and added and kept 2 extra links. So I think this is like 40 links in total, but because I didn't have those fancy schmancy loops, I just used this temporarily to be able to steer my boat. And let's see, it's probably the same as stainless. Yeah, exactly the same. Wow. So stainless or not, steel weighs much more than titanium. Oh yeah, like 50% more. So 60% more, I would say. Anyway, so I'm gonna order another one of these so that I'm fully titanium chains wise, and these will be my spare chains just in case. I'll just keep one. Anyway, that's pretty much the project, and I am extremely thankful to racetechtitanium.com for taking on this project, and they absolutely kicked ass at making this. This is one of a kind, the first in the world probably.